What's up, guys? It's your boy Broken Rebel T-Tyme, and I'm back right here on YouTube. And um, I decided to do this video today because we are going to be having Hurricane Hilary uh, coming to California. Now, the storm is supposed to be hitting California on Sunday morning. Um, that's the first hurricane in California that I've witnessed. I've never seen a hurricane in California ever. Um, but I was on YouTube and I saw videos of people talking about hurricanes like it's been a century since we had a hurricane in California. So um, this is all new to me because I've never experienced a hurricane in California, um, or ever in period. I've heard about hurricanes, mostly in Florida, um, and other places, but never in California. Um, no, usually when we get like major storms or stuff like that, my dad um, usually be the man, be the head, charge um, of what to do and all that stuff. So, um, being that my dad is not here anymore, I got a big task, so I'm gonna put on my big pants, and I gotta man the house. I gotta make sure everything is. I gotta make sure we're prepared for um, this deadly storm. That is Hurricane Hilary. Um, I know that we supposed to keep our devices charged. I think if I can recall, I think they said that the power is going to go out. I don't know about hurricanes because I never been we never been through a hurricane. Well, people century in California, centuries ago they experienced hurricanes, um, but we never I never experienced hurricanes. So this is, like I said, this is all new to me, So charge up my phone, charge up iPads. I'm not sure if I will be on Xbox or PlayStation because, of course, um, I think the power is going to be out on Sunday. Um, so um, I need to get sandbags um, for my grandma house and for our house as well. Um, think I can get the sandbags at the local fire station. Hopefully, um, yeah. Hopefully, we can get the sandbags at our local fire station. Not so. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if they are all taken, but yeah. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go to the fire station to see if we can get some sandbags for my grandma. Um, let's see what else. Water. Drink a lot of water. People in Southern California, um, you know, drink. We gotta have our food, our water. Um, we gotta have our necessities. We gotta have um, we gotta be prepared for Hurricane Hilary. Um, am I prepared? No, no. But like I said, I need to put on my um, big big pants. I got put on my dad pants, and we're gonna get prepared. We are going to be prepared for um, Hurricane Hilary. So, um, so when Sunday comes, I advise everybody to stay indoors. There's going to be I think 70 miles per hour windstorm that they said that's going to be happening on Sunday. It's a tropical storm, so we are getting like when I when I think of tropical storm, I think of Florida because I love their tropical storm. However, I'm not sure if this is the tropical weather that I will be enjoying. It's not going to be Florida weather as, as we are in California, but sometimes we get those type of tropical weather here in California. Um, but yeah, Sundays, that Sunday, stay indoors. Don't try to drive anywhere. Um, just be safe, guys. Be safe. Hurricane Hilary is going to hit California. It's heading toward Los Angeles area. And with that being said, um, to my homies out in sorry, to my homies out in LA, uh, please be careful driving, or please stay safe, stay indoors. Um, that's what I'm gonna do out here in Chino Hills. Be safe, you know. Um, it, it's scary. This is really scary. Now I can understand how people in Florida and other other states and cities how they fear for the hurricane, because I never had this fear ever. So to actually experience this for the first time is very alarming. It's very scary. But like I said, just have your foods with you, have your water with you, keep your phone, tablets, iPad charged up. Stay away from the lights, as they will be dangerous. Do not have any um, generator. Don't have generators inside the house, or you will get poisoned if you turn that on inside the house. Do not have it inside the house. If you have things outside, which we do, we have lots of things outside, but we can't tie them down. There's nothing to tie them down to. But if you have loose things outside, tie them down. Tie them down. Um, Otherwise, you'll be seeing things flying in the air, and we don't want that. We don't want our things to be damaged due to Hillary. So, with that being said, you guys stay safe. I'll catch you guys on the next Talk with T-Tyme. I just wanted to bring this out to you guys because Hurricane Hillary is coming. Be safe, everyone.